What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Shiba Inu today. As you can see, Shiba Inu is starting to pump a little bit right now. So yeah, we're doing fairly well here in Shiba Inu. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. And also remember to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And also leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want me to go over next. And check out the links in the descriptions for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. So you can also get Shiba Inu on Webull. So you can take that free stock and put it straight into Shiba Inu. And yeah, whenever Robinhood comes out with Shiba Inu, you can do the same thing in Robinhood. So yeah, definitely do that. Check out the other links for Instagram, Twitter, and my Spotify music and Apple Music, all that good stuff. And let's get straight to this video. So let's go over Shiba Inu. As you can see right here, Shiba Inu is starting to pump a little bit right now. So Shiba Inu came all the way from the support level here all the way up. We just now broke the resistance of 0.000008. So that's why I was like, oh wow, I gotta make this video because now that we're breaking this resistance, now we're heading even closer to 0.0001. We're about to knock out one of these zeros, and that's really about to be really good for Shiba Inu. So shout out to the Shib Army for making this possible. Shout out to everyone that's hodling Shib, and I'm hodling Shib as well. I don't have that much, but I'm gonna acquire more Shib as I gain more money. So anyways, let's keep going on with this Shiba Inu army. So let's go ahead and go over the technical analysis with Shiba Inu. Now, first thing here, Shiba Inu price is on the brink of a breakout to a point 0.00001115. Like I said, we're about to knock out one of these zeros in Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu price made a new low in its existence last week. So Sheep Bulls used that correction for a buy up towards a new high since July. And just like in my previous Dogecoin video, I was saying how we need to meet our support levels. We need to go down just a little bit so we can build momentum to go right back up. So look, yes, we went all the way down here, but that incentivized the buyers to hop in. Like buyers were like, what? Shiba Inu is all the way down to what? 564. So buyers seen that as a huge opportunity to buy in. And then after the whole Coinbase thing and the whole Coinbase pump, it went down even lower. It went down to 654 right here. And then buyers seen that as a huge opportunity. They're like, nope, we know this is going to be good. We know this is going to be huge. And that's why I drew this trend line here, because I seen this trend. I was like, wait a second, this is just too good to be true. I seen the trend and it just kind of crossed over here. And I'm like, no, that is definitely a buy signal. It's bullish, very bullish. And that's exactly what happened. We went all the way up, and the same thing is happening again. We actually started to trickle down here, back down to the support line at 750. And then when we hit that support line, that's another buy signal. Like the buyers see that as a huge opportunity. Like we were all the way up here. We almost knocked off one of those zeros, and we almost broke this resistance. So we actually almost hit 0.0001. And then when we went all the way down here, like that's a huge drop. So when buyers see that type of drop, they come in just for huge profits, really. And that's really big right there. So one thing I also want to talk about is the traders. So when traders see this, right? When traders see a huge buy like that, they typically get in and they get out. So that's why you see that we're down point, 0.94, negative 0.94. And that's in holders, not in price. That's only in holders. So yesterday we had 670,278 holders. Now we have 669,630. And that's only because the temporary traders came in. And when the temporary traders came in, they came right out. So obviously, like right here, we had a lot of people. And then that's when all those people sold out. And now all those people are buying right back in. And just to kind of prove the point here, look at this. We're at 690,000. We're at 669,630. Hit the refresh button. We're at 669,669. So people are really investing into Shiba Inu as we speak right now because they're seeing that it's pumping, and they're actually the ones that are making it pump now. People are buying more into Shiba Inu. The buyers are coming back. So yeah, a lot of these people are temporary traders. So even when we do pass 0.00001, a lot of these people are temporary. So when we pass it, they're probably going to sell out and end up pushing us back down to 0.000008 support line. So when that happens, we're going to have to rebuild momentum back up. It happens all the time like this in every single crypto, really, because traders always come in, temporary traders, institutional investors, they come in, make temporary purchases, and hop right out. So we always see this with all of them. So anyways, let's move on. A few essential technical elements got reconquered by buyers and should provide support in the coming week. So over here, you can see Shiba Inu formed the perfect scenario for a bull trap 2 weeks ago. In the week after that, price action made new lows in the existence of Shiba Inu, and buyers have used the lucrative move for picking up some Shiba Inu for their portfolio and longs for sheep. So Shiba Inu price made a new high since the summer and look to another look to add another 30%, right? So Shiba Inu price is back in favor of the buyers after the love between the bulls and sheep was at an all-time low since the bull trap from 2 weeks ago. And what they're talking about from the bull trap of 2 weeks ago, they're talking about right over here. That's what they're talking about. We were looking bullish right here, very bullish. We had this consolidation, and then boom, we broke out of it, and that was a bull trap. They knew they got us, and then boom, we went right back down. Even I thought it was about to go up huge. I was like, yep, we're going up huge. I see this movement here. We had a huge consolidation there, and then we started to go up and shoot up from that consolidation, and then we ended up just breaking out of it and going all the way down. So that was a huge bull trap 2 weeks ago. And now, as you can see, I don't believe this is an actual bull trap now. I believe this may be a bear trap. Like maybe that, like people are like, wait, we're shooting up this huge right now. It's probably going to be bearish afterwards. But no, we might actually end up shooting up just as high as we did here and may actually break out one of these zeros at this time. So we actually may knock out one of those zeros and break our resistance. Now, the week after that, in a failed attempt to run price action back towards the dotted descending trend line of the R1 monthly pivot at 0.000009, instead buyers got washed out of their long positions and the price retreated below 550. And that's why I say you don't want to, do this trading stuff. Like if you're in sheep, just invest. Do not trade, invest. I'm investing. I used to trade, I used to day trade, ended up making a lot of money doing it, and then I actually used those money on bills and stuff. And then I started to lose money because I got too cocky with it. And then that's why I'm only holding long term now, because that's what happens when you trade. You start to see how much money you're making, and you're like, wow, I just now made $500 off of $3,000. I put $3,000 in and I made $500. So what if I put $20,000 in? Now I can make $5,000 off of it. I tried to do something similar to that and ended up getting burned. So that's kind of what happens when you trade, and that's what bull traps come in. Bull traps come in when you get cocky in your trades, and that's when a lot of people get trapped. Because just imagine if someone's seen this and they're like, wow, this is a bullish signal here. I'm going to go ahead and put all my money in right here because it's very bullish. And this looks really bullish right here. This is a really bullish signal. So when that happens, then boom, the bull trap comes in, and then you end up losing your profits that you made previously. And that's how a lot of people lose money when they gamble in like places like Vegas and stuff. Because you get really cocky and then you just put it all in all at once. You end up getting screwed over. Now, let's move on. This event allowed buyers to step in, and what they're talking about event, the bull trap. This event allowed buyers to step in and buy some more sheep at a very attractive discount. So this renewed love between Shiba Inu and the bulls got confirmed this week with some solid buying into the price action, resulting in a new high since July. So it will, oh no, I just now clicked something. All right, so over here, it says it will be essential to see if buyers can keep price action above the dotted descending trend line next week. So a close above there this week would be helpful as a launching point towards 0.00001115. That is the first fundamental level of importance and has not been adequately tested yet, although there have been several resistance from previous months around this level. Now, what they're saying here is we need to keep above 0.000009 if we're going to knock out one of these zeros. We got to stay above there for at least a week, possibly, a few days, at the most a week. We got to stay above that point, so then we can build up enough momentum to break out to 0.000001. Because if we can't stay above that and we end up going below it, then we're never going to end up being able to knock out one of these zeros. And that's something that keeps happening over and over again in sheep. We keep getting to that point and we keep getting rejected there. I've been doing these technical analysis for a while, and we keep getting rejected at the same points. We literally keep getting rejected at the same points, and we keep getting supported at the same points as well, which is good. It's good that we keep getting the same support lines. So shout out to the whole Shib army for making this possible for us. But anyways, we have came a long way here inside the Shiba Inu technical analysis, inside of the Shiba Inu space. So shout out to the Shib army for making this possible. Now, if sellers cannot close this above 0.00000760, expect another bull trap. So they're saying if we can't close above 760, and they actually made this technical analysis before this jump came out. They actually made this technical analysis actually earlier today. Let's go up there and look at that exact time. So today they made this technical analysis at about 2 p.m. GMT. GMT is a different time zone. I'm in the Pacific time, so they're in a different time zone. So I would guess they made this prediction maybe around 5 a.m. because it's 12:57 p.m. now. I'm not too sure, so don't hold me on that. I don't know what time it is. Actually, what time is GMT right now? So let's just type in what time is it in GMT. So in GMT is 4:57 p.m. They made this prediction at 2 p.m. Google is our best friend, by the way. So yeah, they made this at 2 p.m. So they made this about 2 hours ago. And actually, 2 hours ago, we were not pumping, we were dumping. So not dumping, but you know what I mean. But anyways, 2 hours ago with Shiba Inu, let's see. So right here, we are at the 16:45 military time. And then 2 hours ago, we were right here. So they actually made this right before we started the pump. And they actually made this right below 760 at 755. If you can see here on the side of the screen, they made this at 755. And then their prediction was that we need to stay above 760, because if we stay above 760, we will be able to avoid this bull trap. And that's actually what they predicted there. So good prediction there. That's why I always bring you the FX Street, their technical analysis, because they do it to a T and they do it pretty perfectly. And I do it pretty good as well, but they do it way better than me. So I have to bring their information here too. So shout out to them, and shout out to the person who actually wrote the article, Philip L. He wrote this article. So shout out to him. I'm not sure if he did the technical analysis as well, but if he did, shout out to him. If someone else did, shout out to them. But anyways, big stuff going on here. We're staying above 760. So as long as we don't drop back below the support line, we will be good. If we drop below the support line here, that means that we will be inside of a bear market again. So hopefully we do not drop below the support line, because if we do, then we will be bearish. But if we continue to stay above this resistance, then we will be very bullish. So hopefully we can stay above that, and hopefully the sheep army doesn't sell out. So anyways, over here, like they said, if sellers cannot close this above 760, expect another bull trap is taking effect and could see buyers pulling their funds out of Shiba Inu again, leaving the price action in the hands of sellers. A retest of 0.000005 would be inevitable if this happened. So hopefully it does not happen, because if it does, then it will be a very red day for Shiba Inu. So hopefully we can continue to pump here with Shiba Inu, and hopefully people continue to buy. And looking at the red candlesticks, we have a lot of buying orders come in. So this is actually pretty good news for Shiba Inu and the Shiba Army, that more people are buying than selling. Don't see any red candlesticks coming in. So that's pretty good news right there. And it looks like, oh no, we just now got a red candlestick. So yeah, guys, do not sell out, because if you sell out, then we are going to be in a very bad space with Shiba Inu. But yeah, that's all I got for the technical analysis here. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but we're going to go over some more stuff other than the technical analysis, because we got a lot of stuff going on in Sheep. Now, we are now up 2.79% in Sheep in the last 24 hours. And as you can see, in the last 7 days, 19%. So that's actually pretty good right there with Sheep. And our holders are actually going up as we speak. Right now we're at 669. You know, it's a weird number right there. So then when we hit that refresh button, as you can see, 669,668. So yeah, we just now lost a buyer. So we lost a holder, I mean. So hopefully people keep buying into Shiba Inu, because we can't keep losing people like this. Like, we cannot keep losing people inside the Shiba Army. We cannot keep losing our holders. Our holders are literally makes us rise here in Shiba Inu. So hopefully people don't keep selling out. Now, I do want to talk about FUD, because that's the only reason why people ever sell out, is because FUD is being spread. And right here, they're spreading FUD in this article. Not hating on them. Shout out to their article. Shout out to their writer and their reporter. Everyone has their own opinions on it. But yeah, there's FUD going around. They're saying Shiba Inu's days and the sun may be over. Here's why. They said, blah, blah, blah. Shiba Inu is seeing a dump. And they're saying that we are seeing a dump. But obviously, you know, when we get traders coming in, traders come in, they come out. That's what they're seeing. They're noticing those signals. Like I just now showed you how traders are starting to sell out. I'm showing you that stuff too, as well as them. So they have some truth to it. They're saying, yeah, traders are selling out. But I'm bullish on Sheep, so I'm not going to say that Sheep's days are over. I don't believe it's over. Even if sellers take over and we go back down to the support, the Sheep army is so strong that we'll end up coming back up in some other time. So yeah, they may be right temporarily, but in long-term point of view, they're not right. But anyways, shout out to them anyway for making the Shiba Inu article. And another thing I want to talk about here, Shiba Inu is going worldwide. You know, is really worldwide. This is inside of Spanish. So, hi everyone. In minutes, we will be giving an AMA regarding the entire Shiba Inu ecosystem. This was yesterday, actually. This AMA will be done with the exchange CoinX Spanish. So it's the CoinX but Spanish version, and they're actually doing an AMA out there. They're actually really teaching people about, you know, crypto and about Shiba Inu. So shout out to them. Shiba Inu is going crazy out inside of Latin America. So shout out to Latin America for that. And shout out to all the Spanish-speaking companies. Shout out to Spain, all that inside of Europe. But anyways, shout out to all the Spanish-speaking countries out there. They're starting to get really heavy on Shib, and they're getting really heavy on crypto in general. Shout out El Salvador too. They're going really crazy with crypto. So The next thing I want to talk about here is Robinhood. So Robinhood hints at getting Shiba Inu on board after Binance lists Shib. So Binance US just now listed Shib, as you can see. That was actually a really good listing. $500 million straight through Shiba Inu right after it got listed on Binance. So a lot of money flowed through there. eToro listed it, Webull listed it, Coinbase listed it, all that, Binance. And with all this being listed with Shib, that's going to give them more of an incentive because these are their competitors. So they're going to want to be above them. They're going to want to make sure that they get out there. So anyways, Shiba Inu on Robinhood could be coming soon. Over here, you can see something right here. So, the International Business Times sent a poser question to Robinhood once again after Binance listed it and asked if they would add Shiba Inu on their platform. While last time Robinhood sent a confusing answer, this time they got straight to the point. Robinhood this time hinted that they might well be listing Shiba Inu on their platform, as Robinhood would announce a Shiba listing sometime in September 2021. So they said sometime in 2021, and this is officially from Robinhood. So this is official from Robinhood support. This is not photoshopped. So this is actually huge. Sometimes in September, they said. So maybe by the end of September they list Shib, or maybe by next month they list Shib. I don't know when they'll do that though. But anyways, Robinhood hasn't listed a new crypto since they even made crypto available. So this would be groundbreaking for Robinhood. This would be huge for the whole crypto community and for the stock market, because a lot of people in the stock market that use Robinhood will now be investing into Shib, and that would put so much more money into Shib. This would make Shib go parabolic. This would actually, what would it be helping us go up to 0.00001, or no, 4 zeros and 1, too many zeros, but yeah, 4 zeros and a 1. That will definitely help us get up there. So this is what they said. They said, thanks for reaching out. Hope you are doing well and staying safe. As of the moment, Robinhood Crypto has all of these, blah, blah, blah. So over here, they said, moving forward, we plan to support the ability to buy and sell other cryptocurrencies, especially Shiba Inu. They said especially, which some people think is fake because of that, because it should be especially, not especially. So anyways, especially Shiba Inu on our platform, and we'll be sure to let you know as more become available. Keep in mind that supporting market data for individual cryptocurrencies doesn't necessarily mean we plan to add buying and selling. So you can check up on our center here. So anyways, they might actually add it here. Hopefully they do, because if they do, this will help us out immensely. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice, and this is actually all I got for you guys today. Hope you guys like this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys want me to go over next. And also check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. Take that money from Webull out of the stock and put it straight into Shiba Inu. And the same thing with Robinhood. You can put that money into Shiba Inu once they list it. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.